We're gonna see the shark or feed the shark?
Feed the shark.
Feed him. I'm not the food, am I? What's your name?
Oi.
Oi?
Yeah. And you?
I am Toby.
Toby.
Nice to meet you, Oi. I'm leaving today on the ferry, but I was actually walking out here, ran across Buddy New. And New said, Kobe, come on, let's go feed the shark. So, anyway, I jumped on the boat real quick and we're going to go out here and see the shark. Stick around. I hope it's a small shark. I don't know if it's his pet shark or what, but he wants me to look at the shark today. Should be interesting. All right, y'all. I guess we have arrived. I'm guessing he's looking around, so I'm not exactly sure what we're doing. But he said, "Come see the shark, or let's go feed the shark." But I'm not 100% sure I'm not the food. So this might be my last video. We will see. We're gonna see the shark or feed the shark?
Feed the shark.
Feed him. I'm not the food, am I? That was.
You're food.
I'm the food. Oh my God. Oh my God. All right. Let me get my snorkel on. I think I'm gonna get in the water. Nobody's ever said, "Hey, there's a shark. Let's get in the water," to me before. All right, guys. That was actually pretty cool. I don't know if it'll show up on camera or not, but there was one hanging out here. He was a pretty good little ways away, but I'm not sure if the camera saw it or not. Anyway, pretty awesome. Thank you, Noon. Whew. Now, time to pack up and catch that ferry. See you guys later. Those villas right there look pretty cool. All right, well, I'm not sure we got that shark on video or not, but it was just pretty awesome of him to invite me to this morning. He didn't have to do that. So I'm gonna go back now, pack my bags, and wait on the ferry, and just hang out for a little bit. It's a real awesome place. Definitely come before the hundreds of thousands of people pack these beaches again and you can't get on them. And it's gonna happen soon. Signing off. All right, guys. Today's the day I'm leaving Phi Phi Island. Ko Phi Phi. Anyway, boat leaves at, I think, 3. I got to be on it at 2:30. Well, I might leave at 2:30. I don't know. I'm going to be there at 2. So regardless, there's 2 boats. I'm going on the first one. But, you know, I'm going to show you. There's lots of places, you know, up and down the street that's closed, but yet there is plenty open. So don't be scared to come here. And actually, now's a good time for me to get Christmas presents. Cats everywhere. Hey, kitty. So anyway, I'll show you. We'll do some shopping real quick. We'll see what kind of prices we can get. I don't know what they would be like, but I couldn't think of a better place to get something because it's out here in the middle of the ocean, and it's just such a unique thing. But plenty of shops. Let's take a look. Hello. What's your name?
Oi.
Oi?
Yeah. And you?
I am Toby.
Toby.
Nice to meet you, Oi. Let me put on my mask so I don't contaminate your shop.
โอเคค่ะ
Let's take a look, see what you got. For an older lady. Not older. I shouldn't say that. I gotta delete that out.
I have
For my mom.
No medium this one.
No medium, that
Yeah,
one.
but this one for your mom okay.
That's for my mom's okay?
Yeah, you can make here.
I see.
Yeah.
And that's a chili. Ain't that a pepper? I don't know what that is.
I don't know what to do.
Huh. I need something that looks like Phi Phi Island. Says I've been to Phi Phi Island.
Phi Phi
For
Island.
lady.
For lady.
For lady.
I have like this, and V-neck.
T-shirt.
Yeah.
Gosh. Alright.
This one t-shirt.
That's nice. Is that for lady?
Yeah, man and woman. Same
Man
thing.
and woman. Actually, it feels good. I like the fabric. Elephant's nice. Let me just look. And this one, I really like this one.
Okay.
But that one's only medium, right?
No medium.
No medium.
Yeah.
What is that? It's large?
Yeah, large.
Oh, that's for big woman. Oh, okay. Let's see what else we can find. What is that? A dress? That don't look like
Shirt
much.
like this.
I don't know if she could wear that. That's a shirt.
Shirt, yeah.
That's a shirt. Well, if she can't wear it, then she'll have to just take it back. You have that in small?
One side this one size fit all.
One size fit all?
Yeah.
Because that's got elephants on it. That says, I've been to Thailand, right?
Yeah.
How much is that?
This one 200 baht.
200 baht. Well, that ain't no fun. How am I going to beat you up at 200 baht? 200 baht's like $8, $8 US.
Little for you.
What's that?
Little money.
I know. Well, I was going to try to talk you down. I can't talk you down at $8.
And like this you like this one.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah.
How much is that?
This one 200 also.
So everything's 200.
Give you 300, okay, special.
Special.
Yeah, for you.
For both?
No, for one.
Oh, so you're going to give me a special 300 for that?
Yeah. You don't like 200, right?
Yeah,
Okay, give you 300.
300. And for both it's 400.
Yeah.
All right, I tell you what.
And
This is
one-
small?
This one for your mom, okay, this one.
That's okay for her?
Yeah.
All right, well, if she don't like it, I'm going to tell her to call you. And your name, what was your name?
Oi,
Oi.
Yeah.
Oi.
this one nice color, I think.
Oi. Okay. So 200, 200, 400, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to give you 500. How about that?
Yeah?
See, look good?
I think it's okay. That's nice color.
You like that color better?
I like this color.
I'm done. Give it to me. So 500, that's like $15. So you don't negotiate on price here.
How long in here?
I've been here 2 days.
Huh?
2 days.
Today?
Yeah.
This one second day?
Second day. I'm leaving now.
To Phuket to be?
Yeah, I'll go to Phuket now. And probably go to Ko Lak for a couple days. Yeah. Where are you from?
I from Surat Thani.
Suratani?
Yeah, near Khao Lak.
Yeah. I see.
Khao Lak from Phang I near from Surat Thani near Phang Khao
Ah.
Lak and Surat Thani.
I see. And you just come here to work?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is,
Only-
is business getting better? No? Oh, I thought it would be getting better.
Very fast. This first customer today.
First customer.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Really?
Oh my gosh. Well, hopefully that helps you out.
Okay, Kak.
Ah. Kapung kap.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. I'll tell everybody to come to your shop.
Okay.
Let's see where your shop is. No sign on your shop? Okay. What's the name of this bar? Night Pat. How do you say that? Patcherry Bakery?
Yeah, Patchouli Bakery.
Patcherry Bakery. So if you come to Patcherry Bakery and look across the street. Oh, you got waterproof bags too. Well, damn. I might have needed one of them. Hey, kitty. Is that your cat? No?
Many cat in Ireland, huh?
Oh, I see. Okay. Thank you so much. Kapung kap. Some things, you know, just a little shocking. I can't believe I'm the only customer today. I've seen many people walk up and down that street. So, and what you gonna do? You can't negotiate the price. A lot of times that's the fun part of going shopping in Asia or Mexico. You know, everything is, you get one price and then you have to cut it in half, and normally about 3/4 away, that's where you settle. But anyway, that was crazy. But I guess if you do that here and you ain't got no business, then you run the chance of losing the only sale you have today. Go see her shop. Got some good Christmas presents. I don't know if I can post this before Christmas or not. So anyway, see you guys later. All right, guys, I am heading out, going to the ferry, and I guess I'll stay. I might stay back in Rawa because I know where that's at for the night, because it's gonna be late when I get back. Ferry leaves in the afternoon. You can see the roads are pretty tight. Ferry leaves in the afternoon, and then it'll get back around, I guess, 5:30. And I gotta find a taxi cab, so I might just stay somewhere I know. But anyway, just a tip: starting to rain a little bit. Before you go anywhere, because it rains a little bit and stops and rains a little bit more, go to 7-Eleven, get you some plastic bags, just some light kitchen bags, and that way, in case of a downpour, your stuff don't get soaking wet. And I got kitchen bags in there. It's not raining hard enough for me to use them right now, but just in case it does, you'll be ready. So as you can see, there's plenty of shops up and down through here, and there's plenty of people. So if you have to be around people, but to me, I'm gonna say bye. See you later. Bye. Okay. Kapung kap. All right, that's the lady I bought the stuff from. So anyway, pretty good to me. I'd say 2 days is plenty enough on the island for me. A day trip would be good too, I guess. But the food's good. The hotels are cheap. Shopping is crazy inexpensive. Nothing like what I would even think. So anyway, and you see the type of people you meet. And you seen the girls sing. That was fun. I'm sure they're laughing right now watching this. So anyway, thank you for watching. See you on the next trip. Alright guys, I just got off the ferry, and my man here was actually on the ferry. He asked me if I needed a ride, so he's my taxi guy. Well, what's your name?
Sean.
Sean? Alright, Sean.
Hi.
Hello. Anyway, lucky I didn't even have to go to the stand, but they got a stand when you get off the ferry itself, and then they got prices for anywhere in Phuket you need to go, you know, straight from there. But ask the guys on the ferry, and they'll probably hook you up with a taxi and already have somebody waiting, or he was actually on the ferry. It's taking me there, so it couldn't work out no better. And you said the motorbike is 100 baht per day?
No, for parking.
For parking. So if I'd have drove my motorbike and left it there, it'd cost me a couple 100 baht just to leave it there. So actually I did good because it's raining, and I did consider that. And right now my luggage would be getting wet. So anyway, see y'all at the new place in Rawai.